imagination shaping our fate. Together we celebrate, from data to display. Community lights the way. Liquid galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall.
Hello everyone, my name is Gadani, a Google Summer of 4 to 25 contributor, which Liquid Galaxy based is in Lleida, Spain. This summer, I had an incredible opportunity to work on an open source project that combines creative technology and collaboration. Being a part of Liquid Galaxy allowed me to explore impressive display system and contribution something meaningful to their ecosystem. Next slide, please. My project was inspired by an old air traffic controller game called Canadian Approach, which deployed decades ago and no longer worked on modern systems. The main goal of my project was to recreate this game using modern technology so it can be experienced again, but this time on the Liquid Galaxy platform, offering a multi-screen impressive experience. For this, I used Flutter and Dark to build mobile controller app and socket IO with WebSocket for real-time communication between screens. This setup runs on Ubuntu Linux, and the result is an air controller simulator where user can control artifacts from their mobile device while watching plane move across multiple connected displays just like a real control tower. Next slide, please. During my GSOC journey, I had an amazing learning experience. There were moments of challenges, especially while handling between screens, but my mentor, yes, Vedant, Prayag, Rosemary, constantly guided and supported me. I learned a lot now of networking, communication, Flutter app design, and real-time system. But more importantly, I learned how open source collaboration truly works. This have not only helped me to grow technically, but also gave me confidence to share and work with global community. In future, I am planning to keep contributing to Liquid Galaxy, enhancing project with new feature, and continue supporting open source development. Thank you.